Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use bonus on 1xBet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all, you need to tap open your 1xBet app and you must get logged in into your account. So once you're logged in, you need to simply tap on the menu, and once you have tapped on menu, that is on the bottom right hand side of the corner, you will end up in this kind of interface. Now simply scroll down below and find the promo codes option and tap it. Once you tap it, you can see that there are different promo codes that can be used in different games. So you can use your promo code or your bonus in different kind of games where you can simply use your promo code or your bonus points to play these games. Or simply you can go in your popular section and tap on any of the bets that are going on and simply place a bet, and in the bet section you can find the promo code in the middle, so simply tap on it and now you can apply your bonus point, that is your promo code, and simply place the bet. So in this way you can use your bonus points in your 1xBet account. I hope you liked the video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.